Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover the differences between scholarly journals and magazines. Now, the main difference between the two is that scholarly journals are peer-reviewed and are good sources for college papers. Magazines, on the other hand, do not undergo the same rigorous editorial process and are generally not suited for a college paper. So with that in mind, let's get into scholarly journals. The articles and studies published in these types of journals are written by specialists in their field. The scholarly journals are going to contain original research with references to studies or previous research used, and all of these articles in scholarly journals will have references at the end. This allows for transparency and shows the research done to support the article's theories. This example here is an online article. This detailed record will give you the author's name, the name of the journal, and a lot more useful information. But you will notice if we scroll down to the article itself, we will find a link to the references page. Now we can see the sources that this author has used. Like I mentioned earlier, all scholarly journals are peer-reviewed. This means that articles are subjected to a rigorous review of the subject by other professionals in the field. You will also find no ads, or if in the rare case you do, they will be focused advertisements for that field or subject. Scholarly journals can be found in print and online. The library provides some print journals, but the majority of our collection can be found in the library databases EBSCO and JSTOR, which can be found on the library homepage. In contrast, magazines do not go through the same amount of rigorous review. And when I say magazines, I'm referring to publications such as Time, National Geographic, or Psychology Today. The articles found in these types of magazines are written for a general audience. They'll cover popular culture or news, and they're not written by experts in the field. Magazines will also tend to have glossy pages, lots of advertisements for a variety of products, not anything very specific. Magazines will not list any sources at the end of the article, so we do not know exactly where they got their information from. They are also not peer-reviewed, so they're not necessarily a very good source for a college paper. However, they can be of value if you're treating them as a primary source. Magazines with an interview are primary sources and can be used in a paper about the particular person being interviewed. But in most cases, you should avoid using magazines as a source for a college paper. So to wrap it up, use scholarly journals for your research and be discerning when you're using magazines. Like always, if you need or want some further details, please reach out to me. Thank you for watching.